Good morning 901, this is Mr. Herman here, and this video I'll be talking about what you should be expecting to see for this week 7 during remote teaching. It will be a quick video regarding what work to expect, how to upload your work or provide your work, and any other links or any other information regarding week 7 for remote teaching. One of the main pieces of information regarding remote teaching this week is where to find your resources. Now, it's pretty self-explanatory. If you don't know where I usually keep my resources, that'll be a bit of a worry. But if you go into one of our classes, head to resources. Right now, you'll see two new folders. There's topic 4, which is SERDS. So if you click on this, there you can see the textbook for SERDS. I know a few of you were asking me about the textbook in class. You can go ahead and click on this and download this by the download file link over here. And another thing I've also included is this Chapter 3 SERDS Worked Solutions, which can be found here. Now, this isn't just a normal solutions, these are worked solutions, so it shows you step by step how to tackle certain questions. So before you ask me questions during our designated time, go ahead and look into the worked solutions first. Chances are how to tackle a certain question can be found within there. If still all else fails, you can ask me via Microsoft Teams chat or send me an email through this email right here. Thanks to software editing, I can have my email address popped up now. Please don't send me an email via Compass. Another folder you should see is the exam revision folder, and here you will see a exam revision file that you can download, and it has questions for you to tackle. I'll get to that in a second. For now, when we head to our dashboard, over here within our first lesson, it will show you a link right here that you can click to get our weekly planner. The weekly planner will show you what is expected for this week for each lesson, and there are 4 lessons for this week. I want you to be able to download this, have a read through this, and for the first lesson you'll see up here what's expected. The actual file itself, when you download it, should look like this, and I'll move this across so you can have that all in view. There we go. So right now we're in week 7 and there are 4 lessons. The first lesson we'll be looking at is rationalizing the denominator, which is exercise 3D from the SERDS topic. This will be the last exercise that we're looking into, and remember there is no test or any CAT for this. Here you'll see what the learning goals are, so pretty much what you'll be looking into, what I'm going to teach, what you're going to view or see. And the success criteria is what you'll be able to demonstrate or show or provide or prove after I've taught this topic. There will be a video tutorial for this. At this time it is Sunday night, so I haven't made the video as of yet, but the link should be provided on Microsoft Teams throughout the Monday. Lesson 2, 3, and 4, you will see exam revision stuff here. And the exam revision is just recaps of all of the topics that we looked into for semester 1, ready for your exam, which will be next week, assuming that we are out of this lockdown. We'll be looking into algebra, linear equations, probability, and SERDS. Again, have a read through this weekly planner to see what you should be able to demonstrate, what skills you'll be able to show. And you can go ahead and tackle each section of the exam revision from the document that you can find within resources in the exam revision folder. That's pretty much it that I need to tell you regarding resources and what work you're to see or expect throughout this week. Another thing that I want to mention, or last thing rather, is when it comes to team meetings, I will be having a team meeting for each lesson throughout the week. Every single teacher will be doing this. You guys happen to be my first class throughout the week. So if you're going to be a little bit confused regarding what to expect for this week, expect that you will be having 5 team meetings per day. Team meetings aren't necessarily going to be you sitting within a classroom for the whole time. It's just ideally going to happen just for marking the roll and to check the attendance. So in my case, what I'll be doing is I will be creating a team meeting at the start, which you already have conducted already, because I would have sent you this YouTube link after the team meeting, and then you will get yourself marked as present or not present, and then you'll go ahead and attempt the work reading the weekly plan to see what's expected and looking into any YouTube video tutorials that I'll be sending you. That is it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on Teams or again send me an email. Till then, best of luck with this week. I know it's a bit inconvenient, but it is what it is. Adios.